Your social media feed is a dangerous place for your bank account right now. It is packed with this cozy high-end aesthetic specifically designed to stop your thumb from scrolling. Lately, Mary and Carey Atelier is the one popping up in every corner of the internet. They show off these gorgeous quilted totes. You see intricate floral patterns and adorable dog breeds. It looks like a masterclass in personal craftsmanship. The whole site has this warm artisan energy. It makes you feel like you are supporting a small business. They make some big promises. They claim every piece is handmade in their own studio. They offer free shipping across the UK. They even promise a 30-day money-back guarantee. On paper, it is the perfect pitch. But I decided to look past the pretty photos. I wanted to see if there was any substance behind that aesthetic. The first thing that made me pause was the math. They are running this massive sale where everything must go. Prices are slashed by up to 70%. You see a bag originally priced at £75 now selling for less than 30. That just does not make sense for genuine artisan work. Skilled labor is expensive. High quality fabric is expensive. A real workshop cannot survive by selling their heart and soul for £30. That is a price point for mass production. It is a liquidation tactic, not a boutique strategy. This sense of forced urgency is a classic trick. They want you to think the clock is ticking. They want you to believe a historic artisan shop is closing its doors forever. But if you check back in a month, that sale will probably still be running. It is a permanent state of emergency designed to bypass your critical thinking. When you feel like you are losing out on a bargain, your brain stops asking where the bag actually comes from. Then I check the testimonials. Every single review on their site is a perfect 5 stars. The names are incredibly genetic. The profile pictures look like they were pulled straight from a stock photography database. When I checked independent platforms like Trustpilot, I found a total of 0 reviews. That is a massive void for a company that claims to be this popular. This is a documented pattern. It connects to a whole web of similar stores like Missy USA or Juni Boutique. They all use the same script. They use emotional backstories and artificial intelligence to create beautiful product images. They use the same closing sale playbook to make you feel like you are missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime deal. But the most telling detail is what is missing. There is no physical address. There is no company registration number. There is no way to verify who these people actually are. People get distracted by the beautiful imagery. They forget to check for a pulse. A heartwarming story and a few nice photos are the easiest things to fake online. These are likely mass-produced goods being shipped from a factory. They probably look nothing like the pictures when they arrive. If you want that genuine quilted look, find a verified maker on a platform like Etsy. Look for shops with real photos taken on a kitchen table. Look for creators who show you their process. Do not let a polished art and a fake sale crock pressure you into a bad purchase. The warning signs are just too loud to ignore. It is always better to do a little digging before you hit that checkout button. Real craft takes time and real businesses have roots. This store has neither.